What happens when a brand is born from speed, raised by victory, and sculpted into powerful luxury? What happens when W.O. Bentley's dream meets Le Mans glory, James Bond villains, royal garage privileges, and a 12-cylinder symphony so thunderous it could shake the Queen's china? You don't just drive a Bentley, you command it. This is the untold story of a car brand that defied death twice, outlasted world wars, and now stares down an electric future with a 200-mile-per-hour smirk. I'm Silva Fox. Welcome to Bentley, past, present and future. In 1919, a young British engineer named W.O. Bentley had a vision to build a car that was fast, beautiful and uncompromising. A car that could outrun the Germans on the battlefield, then outrun them again at Le Mans. And he did. What followed wasn't just a car company, it was a gentleman's rebellion, a story of speed, survival, style and second chances. Bentley would become the car of kings, gangsters, Bond villains and rock stars. And now, in an age of silence and sustainability, the question returns. Can Bentley stay brutal in a world that wants it to be quiet? The year is 1919, the war is over, Europe is rebuilding, and one man has speed on his mind. W.O. Bentley builds the 3-litre. Strong, fast and unmistakably British. But it wasn't just the car, it was the men who drove it. The Bentley boys, millionaire playboys, war heroes, daredevils in tailored suits. They raced by day, partied by night, and became legends. Bentley wins Le Mans 5 times before 1930, back to back to back. The French called it a British invasion. But by 1931, Bentley is broke. Enter Rolls-Royce. The rival buys Bentley, and with it, they mothball the race team. The rebellion over, or so they thought. Fast forward to 2003. Bentley is reborn. The Volkswagen Group injects money, muscle, and German precision. And then, they unleash it. The Continental GT W12. Twin turbo. All-wheel drive. 190 plus miles per hour. This is not your grandfather's cruiser. This is a ballistic missile in a tuxedo. The world takes notice. Rappers, athletes, royals, Bond villains. Then comes the Bentayga, the fastest SUV on the planet. Then, Bentley wins Le Mans again with the Speed 8. A new Bentley era is born. Hand-built, high-tech, high-speed. Every car still made in Crewe, England. Every engine still a masterpiece. But now, the road bends again. By 2030, Bentley will be all electric. No W12, no growl. Just talk, silence and speed. They call it Beyond 100. A Bentley so quiet, you hear your own heartbeat. A future built with AI, biomaterials, carbon neutrality, and an 800-volt system that launches like a spaceship. Bentley isn't getting quieter, it's getting sharper, cleaner, faster. From track beasts to royal limousines, from leather and wood to light and code. Bentley has always been about what's next, not just what's now. This isn't just a car company, it's a legacy, built by rebels, racers and visionaries. This is Bentley, past, present and future. If you've ever heard a Bentley growl or felt one press you into your seat, you already know it's more than a machine. It's a statement, like the video. Subscribe for more and drop your favourite Bentley of all time in the comments. I'm Silva Fox. Until next time, drive like the future's watching.